Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. As we all know, the sassy fashionista and Bollywood diva Kareena Kapoor Khan recently announced her collaboration with Lakmé Absolute and launched her debut makeup collection known as the Kareena Kapoor Khan collection. When the ad was released, I was immediately drawn to this look. It is so classy and stunning. I had to recreate it for you guys, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I don't get Lakmé in the US, so I've used the products that I have, but I've given you an equivalent of either Lakmé or any product that you get in India for every product that I've used in the description box right below this video for your convenience. I hope you enjoy this, and let's get this started. I always like to start with my eyebrows. If you look at Kareena's, it's much lighter than mine, so I have to lighten mine using the medium brown pomade from Ardell. I'm going to work in small strokes using an angled brush, and then I'll take a spoolie and I'll comb my brow hair just to spread all the color evenly across my eyebrows. And now to prime my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I'm going to massage it all over my face and neck and use a little bit extra in areas where my face and neck is extra dry. To ace that flawless base, I'm going with a full coverage foundation. This is the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Foundation in Medium Tan Honey. I'm going to apply this in small sections using this super soft kabuki brush from Hip Dot. Every time I use this brush, I feel like my foundation melts into my skin like butter. One thing that was very noticeable in Kareena's face was it was extremely highlighted. So I'm going to be highlighting the high planes of my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. Nothing new there, I do this all the time. So I'm going to apply it directly and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. And anytime I want that extreme highlight, I always bake my face with some loose powder. The one that I'm using today is the Exact Fit Loose Powder from Artistry. I'm going to apply this directly in areas where I applied the concealer, and I'm going to let it sit on the concealer for 5 minutes. And that's when the magic happens. The body's heat combines the concealer with the powder, and the concealer sets and it looks absolutely flawless. So I'm going to leave it there for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to dust off the excess powder. Moving on to the eye makeup. Her eye makeup is very simple. She pretty much has nothing on her lids except for some eyeliner, but she has a very prominent crease cut, which I don't have because I have hooded eyes. So using some eyeshadows, we can create that outer crease. I'm taking Puree from the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to mark the area where I want my crease with a pencil brush. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend this out so it melts into my skin color. And now it gives you that illusion of having a defined crease, which I didn't have before. And now I'm taking Peaches and Cream and applying it directly on my lid to brighten it up and give it more of a rounded shape, just like what Kareena has. Before I apply an eyeliner in my top lash line, I'm going to line just my top waterline. Kareena didn't have anything in her lower waterline, so I'm not even going to touch mine. For eyeliner, I'm using my current favorite. This is the Italia Deluxe Perfect Eyeliner. This is waterproof, so it immediately dries. I'm going to draw out a wing with this eyeliner, just like what Kareena has. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade called Charmed, I'm sure, with a definer brush. I'm going to stamp this in my lower lash line in the outer 2/3. It didn't seem like she had any false lashes on, so I'm going to just apply mascara to my top lashes. She also didn't have any mascara on her lower lashes, so I'm going to leave that alone. The mascara that I'm using is Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. I'm taking Peaches and Cream once again to highlight my inner corners and brow bones, and that completes the eye makeup. I'm taking this banana powder from the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush palette, and I'm going to apply this directly under my eyes, and that brightens up everything. She definitely had some contouring going on, so I'm going to use this contour shade to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, as well as my nose. She had a very light blush right above her contour, so I'm going to take this shade with a brush. I'm going to take off all the excess and very lightly dust it on my cheeks. On her lips, she had a bright red lip with almost an orange and pink mixed undertone, and the closest match that I had among all my lipsticks is this red lip pencil from Wet n Wild in Red the Scene. So I'm going to be lining my lips as well as filling it in with the same lip pencil. She finished the look with beautiful soft curls and side swept hair and a stunning red outfit to go with her makeup. And here is my final look. If you want to know how I got these soft curls, I'm going to link a tutorial right on top. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, share my video, comment, let me know your thoughts. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. As always, I love you guys so much, and I have something really exciting coming up on Thursday. I can't wait to show you guys. I've never done this on my channel before, so I'm sure you guys will enjoy it, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.